Hey, my squad. Welcome to today's today's topic. Gems and giggles, overcoming diamond painting hiccups. excuse me. Um, Diamond painting can be a wonderful, rewarding hobby, but it does come with some challenges. And here I've got a few that I want to talk to you about today. First is placement precision. Ensuring each diamond is precisely placed can be time consuming and sometimes frustrating, especially with square drills. Um, I'm at the point in my diamond painting journey that as long as I have it 99.9% where it's supposed to be, I'm okay with it. Static cling. Oh my gosh. We all deal with this one. Diamonds sticking to tray, pin, or even flying off the canvas due to static electricity can be annoying. Nothing is more annoying than when you're trying to kit up and you pour your drills and they're like little jumping Mexican jumping beans all over the place. Missing diamonds. It's common to accidentally lose diamonds, and sometimes kits may not include enough diamonds for the entire project. That's why I keep all my spares. I keep all my spares. The only way I don't keep all my spares is if it is no DMC number. Eye strain. Working on detailed sections for long periods of time can cause eye fatigue. I usually have my blue light blocking glasses to help with that, as well as I look up from the canvas every so often and look around the room and all. Sticky canvas issues. The adhesive on the canvas can lose its stickiness over time or become less effective due to dust or other particles. That's why I always keep my canvas covered. And if I have a large section that I'm working on that I can't put release papers back down on, I have a silicone mat I lay over top of it and put a couple cover minders on there. Diamond spillage. I'm the queen of this one. Accidentally knocking over trays and having diamonds scatter everywhere is a frequent mishap. Yeah, if I don't spill diamonds, it's a good day. Hand fatigue. Holding the diamond pin for extended periods of time can lead to hand cramps and discomfort. That's why I have different size pins that I use. So if some days I use my fatter pins, some days I use my thinner pins. It just all depends on the day, basically. Sorry, I lost train of thought there for a minute. Ooh, shiny squirrel. Unfinished projects. Losing motivation or time can lead to incomplete projects piling up. Well, for us diamond painters, some of us are serial starters, and we're known to have 5, 6, 7 whips going at a time. Lighting problems. Working in poor lighting can make it difficult to see symbols clearly and place diamonds accurately. That's why I use a light pad. I always use a light pad. Storage challenges. Organization and storing all the diamonds, tools, and finished paintings can be tricky. Yeah, they can. Right now I have 2 portfolios full of finished projects, a few finished projects on the wall around the house. Storage, finding storage can be tricky. Symbol confusion. Similar looking symbols can on the canvas can lead to mistakes. Yeah, it can. especially when they put B's and 8s on a canvas. Or when they put the triangles, they can confuse me as well. Inconsistent quality. Variations in the quality of drills or canvases can affect the final outcome. Yeah, I found that. Distractions. Staying focused can be a challenge, especially if you're working in a busy environment. Normally when I'm working, I'm at my desk, I've got music, TV, YouTube, something going. But when I get diamond painting, I get in a zone and I pretty much zone out. Sticky residue. Handling the sticky canvas or diamonds can leave residue on fingers, tools, and other surfaces. I haven't really found that. I found that the wax or putty sometimes can do that. But I just cleaned it up with a little bit of rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer on a cloth. Completion time. Larger, more detailed projects can take a lot of time to complete, which might be overwhelming for some. I've had a couple canvases that their size, it took me 6 months to get them done. Okay, so now here's some tips to help you overcome diamond painting challenges. Okay, so placement perfection. Use a light pad to see symbols more clearly. Work in small sections and use a straightener tool to align the diamonds. I usually don't use the straightener tool, but I do work in anywhere from an 4x6 to a 6x6 section. I do have some smaller release papers that, static cling. Rub a dryer sheet on the tray and diamonds to reduce static. Store diamonds in anti-static bags or containers. I didn't know they had such thing as a anti-static bag. I have to check into that. Missing diamonds. Keep a backup supply of common colors. Contact the kit supplier for replacements if needed. The only companies I know that do that are premium companies like Diamond Art Club, Dreamer Designs. Eye strain. Take regular breaks to rest your eyes. Use magnifying glasses if needed. Sticky canvas issues. Use clean, dry cloth to gently press the on the sticky area. Okay, I don't understand that, but anyway. Cover exposed sections with parchment paper or the original protective film when not in use. Diamond spillage. Work on a tray or mat with raised edges. Use a funnel to easily transfer diamonds back into storage containers. Hand fatigue. Use ergonomical diamond pins or add a cushion grip to your pin. Take breaks and stretch your hand and fingers regularly. Unfinished projects. Set small, achievable goals for each session. I do that a lot. Join a diamond painting community for motivation and support. It's a lot of us are in different diamond painting communities on here and Facebook. Lighting problems. Invest in a good desk lamp with adjustable brightness. Work during the day hours if possible. Use a light pad. Storage challenges. Use stackable containers or drawers to organize your supplies. Label containers clearly for easy access. I've done all that. Symbol confusion. Use highlighters to mark off completed sections on the chart. Double check symbols before placing diamonds. I do that all the time. I don't do the highlighter thing, but I do the double checking symbols. Inconsistent quality. Purchase kits from reputable suppliers known for quality reviews before buying new kits. Distractions. Create a dedicated quiet space for diamond painting. Set specific times for your crafting session. Sticky residue. Keep baby wipes or damp cloth handy to clean your hands. Use tweezers to handle sticky diamonds. we all already do that. Completion time. Break larger projects into smaller sections and celebrate smaller milestones. Set aside regular time to work each week on your projects. So that is some ways to overcome challenges. I hope you all like this video. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. It all, all helps the algorithm. And I'll see you in the next one, guys.